if 1 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 6x square plus 37x minus of k minus 2 is a reciprocal of the other, then find the value of k. So we have a p of x 6x square plus 37x minus of k minus 2. And it is given that if one root is alpha, then the other root is 1 over alpha, because one root is a reciprocal of other. We also know that the product of two roots, that gives us the constant term upon x divided by coefficient of x square. So using these two logics, we can find the value of k. So first of all, since coefficient of x square, that is equal to 6, and the constant term, that is equal to minus of k minus 2, I can write the relationship between roots, product of roots and coefficient. So we have alpha beta product of roots, that is equal to minus of k minus 2 upon 6. We also know that if one root is alpha, then the other root is 1 over alpha, which implies alpha multiplied with 1 over alpha, that is equal to 1. So we have this term negative k minus 2 by 6, which is equal to 1. So on substituting, we have 1 is equal to minus of k minus 2. So next step, 6 is equal to minus k minus 2. On simplification, k is equal to negative 4. So the value of k is equal to negative 4. Next one, if the product of the zeros of the polynomial ax square minus 6x minus 6 is 4, find the value of k. It is given that the product of zeros, so alpha beta, that is equal to 4. Also, we know that the relationship between product of roots and the coefficient. So we know that is equal to coefficient of the constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Product of roots, that is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square, which is negative 6 upon a. Now we know that the product of roots alpha beta, that is equal to 4. It is given. So on equating, we have 4 is equal to negative 6 upon a. So we have a is equal to negative 6 by 4, which is equal to negative 3 by 2. So the value of a, that is equal to negative 3 by 2. Next one, if 1 0 of the polynomial a square plus 9 times x square plus 13x plus 6a is reciprocal of the other, find the value of a. So we know that this is our polynomial, and let alpha and beta be the roots of the polynomial. We know that the product of the roots alpha beta, it is defined as constant term because there is a relation between product of roots and coefficient. So we know that alpha beta product of roots, that is equal to 6a upon a square plus 9. So we have alpha beta equal to 6a upon a square plus 9. The 6a is our constant term and a square plus 9, that is our coefficient of x square. In fact, it is also given if one root is the reciprocal. So if one of the root is alpha, then the next root, that will be equal to 1 over alpha. So alpha multiplied with 1 over alpha, that is equal to 1. So we have alpha beta, the value of alpha beta, that must be equal to 1. So 1 is equal to 6a divided by a square plus 9, or a square plus 9, that is equal to 6a. I am taking this 6a to this side. So we have a square minus 6a plus 9, that is equal to 0. But we know that this is of the form a minus 2a, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So which is equal to, this is same as a minus 3 the whole square. So we have a minus 3 the whole square, in which a is equal to the value of a, that is equal to 3.